Okay, again, our theme for this week is we want to see is the reign of the Magnificent Seven over? And again, what does that mean in terms of opportunities to make money trading going forward? Firstly, I wanted to look at there's this ETF that we have, and we have this ETF in our Google Sheet in the research tab. Well, I want to also look at it in Finviz. So again, you can search for the Magnificent Seven. We have the MAGS. So this is a long on the Magnificent Seven. So you can see it's still pretty high. Again, you can see that risk reward profile for mags in the research tab in our ETFs Google Sheet. Also put a link to the chart in Finviz. So I want to quickly take a look at that. So we looked at FANG-U. I'll look at that again in a minute as well. But we see MAGS, the Magnificent 7 ETF, made a new all-time high recently, and then corrected pretty dramatically, pretty quickly. It's now below its short-term moving average, got significant room down to its longer-term moving average and to its support trend line. So again, in my humble opinion, in the short term, I think potentially it shows the reign of the Magnificent Seven is over in the short term. I think there's more potential downside, more profit taking. Again, in my humble opinion, all the Mag 7s got very, overvalued. I think, profit taking, etc. So, in my humble opinion, more potential downside in the short term in the Mag 7. I'll talk about my longer term opinion in a minute. I also wanted to look at what we saw in FANG-U back in 22 and 23, because again, in my humble opinion, I think we might be seeing a very similar rotation to what we saw in that time frame. So again, not exactly the same as the Magnificent Seven, but most of the same constituents. The old FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, etc., Apple. So again, we saw it break down below its trend line. It's got some room to fall before its longer-term moving average. And again, I wanted to go out and look at what we saw between 22 and 23. So if I go even to the monthly, so we saw that big run up in 21, topped out in late 22, and we saw a pretty dramatic decline back down. So when we see these roll over, we see a significant time period of longer term correction. Now back 23, big run up, 24, see that big spike, new all-time high, and then a quick rejection. Again, in my humble opinion, these got, even more highly valued than they were in 21. And now I think, we're seeing a correction. We might see, I don't know if it'll go as deep as it did, 2023, but a cycle down. We can see these long cycle up, long cycle down. But then on the shorter term, we see, potentially a lot of volatility. So, and I think we're going to continue to see, we'll see buy the dippers. I think the buy the dippers and the Mag 7 are pretty relentless, particularly from a retail standpoint. And I think we'll see those little run-ups, rotation back. But I think potentially the reign in the short term of the Mag 7 may be over. And we may see a significant time period of a correction as they kind of grow into their valuations. Longer term, I think, I don't think the reign of the Magnificent Seven is over for the very long term. I think they have potential, with the AI, as AI, comes of age. I think the Mag 7 are, some of the best stocks. And again, I think eventually we'll see, the buy the dippers will jump back into the Mag 7. We'll see a swing back up. But I think, again, as we saw, that may take some time. Again, love to hear y'all's opinion. Do you think the reign of the Magnificent Seven is over? Why or why not? Where do you think the money's going to flow from Magnificent Seven to other tech, non-tech, to the laggards? Are we seeing that typical rotation, leaders to laggards, laggards to leaders? And if so, which of the laggards do you think might take over in the short term if the reign of the Magnificent Seven is over? A couple other factors. You heard the recent news with the CrowdStrike outage. That impacted all kinds of industries, airlines, etc., government offices, etc. And there was talk, since that only affected Microsoft Windows. My question is, how do you think that might negatively impact sales of Microsoft Windows PCs and or Azure usage? Apparently, they were using CrowdStrike also in Azure. So again, how do you think that might also negatively impact Microsoft, some of the other tech stocks, etc.? So it might have some lasting impact on Microsoft and also the other Magnificent Seven. Again, we talked about, the Mag 7 carry a very high weight on the major indices, the Qs, the NASDAQ, the SPY, a lot of ETFs. So as the Mag 7 sells off, a lot of those ETFs, the indices are going to go down. When they come and buy the dip on the Mag 7, again, that's going to buoy the indice up. Those ETFs also. I found an article with the earnings dates for the Mag 7. So you can find that link to that article in our notes. So if we go down, we can see when the Mag 7's reporting earnings. So we've got Tesla on the 23rd, Facebook Meta on the 31st, Microsoft on the 30th, Alphabet on the 23rd, Amazon on the 1st, Apple on the 1st, and NVIDIA not till the 22nd. So again, starting this week, we've got Tesla, we've got Amazon, Alphabet, Google reporting. So again, major impact on the indices, the technology sector, related companies. So again, I think what's important, I think they'll do well on earnings. Again, my humble opinion, I think their previous quarter, they'll do real well on earnings, but it's more so their guidance going forward. Is their growth going to stagnate, slow? And what is their guidance going forward, particularly for growth? And again, I think we're going to see a rotation of money. You've got money managers, fund managers have to look for yield. And I don't think they're going to find that in the Mag 7. Although, again, the retail buy the dippers and others will probably continue to buy the dip in the Mag 7 on any significant correction. So, again, love to hear y'all's feedback. Do you agree, disagree? Why or why not? And again, please put that in the comments to this video in our Discord. Again, got Discord's free to join. Got plenty of different channels for different trading styles, different asset classes. So again, we can continue to do these discussions 24/7 in the Discord. We'd love to have you join and actively participate in our Discord. The other thing we've been talking about, we talked about last week, was Christmas in July of 2024. We talked about the Amazon Prime Day. We wanted to see how the results from Amazon Prime Day come out as a potential indicator for the retail sector, for strength of consumer going forward. And you'll see, I posted this also in our Discord in the Surf the Markets channel, that Amazon announced record-breaking sales for Prime Day. So again, that we're not seeing, the consumer hold back. So it is Christmas in July 24, at least for Amazon. So again, we don't see the consumer slowing down their spending significantly. They're still buying deals on Amazon through Amazon Prime Day. So We'll see what that bodes for back to school, etc. But so far, we saw, again, stronger than expected retail sales in June. This bodes pretty well for July. So no sign that the consumer is slowing down their spending at this time. Also been talking about how to make money trading in July, so you can find links to those previous discussions as we wrap up July. Also got links to how to make money trading in the summer. So again, we'll talk about August soon. And again, if the reign of the Magnificent Seven is over, what sectors do you think the money managers particularly will rotate their money into? We talked about, the trend laggards to leaders. So we look at the laggards from past quarter, past months. We might see that rotation out of technology, out of the Mag 7 into those laggards. So again, ways you can find, who are those lagging sectors, find the individual stocks if you want, or use ETFs to, again, trade that rotation. So again, we'll continue to see if that holds up. Tomorrow we'll also talk about how we can use dividend-paying stocks to generate income, and also several option strategies to also generate income, in addition to our swing trading stocks. So again, if you have any questions, comments, we'd love your feedback. Do you think the reign of the Magnificent Seven is over? What do you think in terms of where are the trade opportunities going to go? And also, again, if you have any feedback on what we can do to improve our weekly trading game plans, any of our videos, our tools, Google Sheets, our community, etc., to help add more value for all of our fellow BeachBum traders. Again, we'd love your feedback in the comments to the videos, in our Discord. Again, you can tag us in our Discord. We're BeachBum Trading, all lowercase. No other characters or numbers, etc. So it looks like I've got a couple imposters I need to take care of. And we would not DM or message you without your prior knowledge in the Discord. And you can also find links to all of our social media sites, as well as the invite to our Discord in the links section of our homepage, beachbumtrade.com, bum without the U. So again, plenty of ways that you can ask us further questions, provide us with your feedback. Again, and we need your feedback to help to continue to improve and add more value for all of our fellow BeachBum traders. So again, we hope you'll smash the like button on our videos. Help us try to get the Google algorithm to show us some love at some point. We really need your help to continue to spread the word about our community, share our content, repost our content on your social media, invite your fellow traders and friends to come join us in the BeachBum trading community. So thank you again to everyone who's...
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the Beach Bum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the Beach Bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new Beach Bum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support Beach Bum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our Beach Bum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for Beach Bum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support Beach Bum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow Beach Bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our Beach Bum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.